Mr. Deputy Chairman Kuma, I would like to refer to some of the observations made in the course of the debate which relate to the Defense Ministry items full stop. There have been comments, expressing concern in regard to the conditions and salaries of the officers and men of the armed forces full stop. No one would contend that these conditions have either reached an extremely satisfactory stage, but defense, like everything else, has to be fitted into the general pattern of the country full stop. The first question is what we can afford and what are the relative priorities full stop. As one of the speakers said, the defense budget of this year is already 50 crores of rupees higher than last year, and it is likely to go further up if there are other difficulties full stop. So, while government keeps in view the possibility of improving these conditions in some cases more quickly. एक मिनट, अभी बीच में कॉल आ गया, ये सारी रिकॉर्डिंग की बैंड हो जाती है। कॉल आने के बाद रिकॉर्डिंग चलती है ना? हाँ चलती है, कंटिन्यू चलने दो भाई। क्विकली देन इन अदर्स द कंडीशंस एट प्रेजेंट कैन नॉट बी said to be any worse than they were before said, and it is not on account of any lack of concern or consideration that we have to postpone further improvements, but it is due to the state of the resources of the country full stop. The armed forces have undergone no physical expansion, that is to say the strength has not been increased, but there is a considerable amount of money expended year after year because of better equipment, more modern equipment, and also because of rise in prices of material, military or otherwise, in the world full stop para. A specific question about the officers has been raised, and it is suggested that we can make all the lieutenant colonials full colonials before they retire, and that colonials should command battalions full stop. We are not refusing to have this practice just because it is not done elsewhere, but normally a battalion commander is a lieutenant colonial everywhere full stop. If we were to convert all these lieutenant colonials into full colonials, a large number of officers will get colonial's rank, and their persons, even if they serve for 20 years, would be 100 rupees a month more than the others, and at the present moment the country cannot afford it full stop. Another point raised was that they are retired so early.